Do you want to leverage YouTube Shorts to grow your brand's channel in 2022? Here are 4 Shorts ideas that are guaranteed to work for your brand or business. Number 1, a before and after. This one's easy. If you're a pet grooming business, show how this little floof came into your door looking a little shabby and left looking shiny. Or show how totally boring your phone was before this fancy new phone case came into the picture. Number 2, a top 5 list. Let's say you're a fashion brand, share the top 5 looks of the season. Or if you're a real estate company, share your top 5 house hunting tips. Number 3, 1-minute hacks. Pick a simple problem and present a simple solution. This skincare product will make your pimples disappear overnight. This stretch will cure your back pain. Something along those lines. And number 4, myth versus reality. This can be a fun way to debunk common misconceptions in your industry. The myth is that eating chocolate is bad for you, and the reality is that chocolate has a ton of health benefits. That short will be a nice little boost for your candy store. Try these out today and hit subscribe for your daily dose of video creation tips and tricks.